Imagine a world where innovation meets sustainability, where construction is not just about erecting structures, but about shaping a greener future. Presenting Cocoon, a blend of modern engineering and environmental stewardship, brought to you by Godrej Construction. The Cocoon, a 500 square feet office, was installed and made fully functional with an impressive 40-hour time frame. Utilizing 3D printed prefabricated concrete modules, Cocoon embodies the seamless integration of advanced engineering techniques with modular construction principles. Its design, characterized by its namesake, is an organic continuum where walls and ceilings merge seamlessly, showcasing the potential of 3D CP technology with its unconventional curvilinear elliptical design. Cocoon offers a maximum usable office space of 500 square feet, featuring a column-free layout and prefabricated toilet units, all integrated with MEP services to optimize efficiency by applying lean construction principles and utilizing tools like building information modeling. The construction process was meticulously planned and streamlined, ensuring maximum efficiency and cost-effectiveness. But Cocoon isn't just about speed and efficiency, it's also about sustainability. From its use of recycled concrete aggregates sourced from construction debris to its progressive solar tree structure that generates solar energy using photovoltaic panels, every aspect of Cocoon embodies environmental stewardship, making it an off-grid structure. Surroundings of Cocoon are also deployed with reed beds. Cocoon by Godrej Construction. The future of construction is here, and it's sustainable, efficient, and ready to shape a better tomorrow.